friend mail, friend mail, friend mail, friend mail. Yeah, to me. It just arrived. I am like, I need to film this like now because it's perfect timing. Perfect timing. Tough, well packaged. I truly appreciate this, my friend. I haven't seen it yet, but I am very thankful that you thought of me and sent me something. Yeah. Okay, I can see. I am liking this. I'm taking my time because I can tell there are other things in there. This little bag is small, powerful, and mighty. Okay. Well, oh, I got a card. I love this. This is so precious. Oh, thank you. Ooh, you make me teary-eyed. Everything I do it with love and kindness. And I just always love doing it because it brings me joy doing it. So you're always welcome. Always. Shower cup. Woohoo! Love. Yeah. Oh, that's inside. Alright. Ooh. My color. I love this. That's my shower cup. Thank you. Next. Ooh, I love this little brush, smudge brush. Yes. Is by Japan CQI Smudger. Expertly designed to shape and define. See, it all comes sealed. But a little smudge, yeah. Feels nice. A smudging brush to smudge under the eye, or you can, when you put your eyeliner, you can smudge it. Thank you. Let's see how many things I can hold in my head today. Ooh, Lady Bust eyeshadow palette. Girl. Yes. Ooh, the packaging and the box is the same. Gorgeous. Yo. Yes, I love this. The colors are pretty. Take a look at this. How cute is this? Thank you very much. This is so pretty. Ooh. That blue is calling my name. I didn't swatch a lot, but you can see. Very nice. Well, now I rub it all off. There is more. Whoa, this is so good. Hershey's Kisses Lava Cake Palette by Glam Light. Yes. Oh my God, thank you. Yes, I thank you. This is so cute. And then this. Oh, let's do this again. This, and then this. Oh. This is too cute. Cuteness overload. Yes. Now let's see what's in there. This, I love it. Oh, thank you. Oh. Pink, purple, wine, burgundy. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. This is so cute. One other shimmer. Putting it right here. This is cute, and the pigmentation just like the blue from the other palette. And then you do the pink. Ooh. Thank you. You can still see where the blue was. The blue was over there. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. The shimmer is cute. Yes, 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 yes. The mirror is right there. It's covered with this thing. With this plastic. Take a look. This is so cute. Packaging is cute. This is so cute. I like this. Oh my god. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend. Oh. Make sure. Oh, there's more. I like me. Ooh. Wakanda. Black Panther. Yay. Yeah, yeah. Black Panther. From Mac. Ooh, perfect shade. Oh my good lord. I'm making a look with this tomorrow. Black Panther, and the shade is thicker than water. Thicker than water. My friend, I am thick in friendship with you. I love you dearly. I pray for you always. Oh my god. This is cute. This is cute. Yeah. Woohoo! And then I got it. Say, love the answer. Love is the answer. And this is so beautiful towel. Such a this is a makeup girl's dream. Take a look. This is the dream, right? I love it. Yes. Thank you very, 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 very much. I appreciate everything. It's empty. Small bag, but held a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so excited. Oh my good lord. Yes. Yeah. I have everything there to do in there. Oh, I am thankful. I am thankful. I am thankful. Thank you very much, my friend.